going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to tackle the passenger rear wheel well. So I got a hole in it and I'll give you a look and I'll show you what I'm about to do. So as you can see, it's quite a big hole. So first step, I'm going to sandblast the edges. This all has to get cut out. So yeah, let's get into it. Now that I got figured out where I'm cutting, there's just one spot weld right here. So I got to drill that, finish the cut, and then I'll make a new piece. Next step is I'm gonna have to make a template. So for this, I'm gonna show you a little trick. Being a mechanic helps, because you've always got dirty hands. And there you go. So as you can see here, we got the piece cut out. Obviously this cut wasn't very straight, so there's a bit of a gap. That's no problem. But yeah, it turned out really well. So now I'm gonna go around, tack it, and then slowly weld my way around. I don't want to get it too hot, but it's not on a panel, so it's not as crucial. So yeah, let's get into it. now that this is tacked into place, we're going to fill in the spot weld and weld the rest of the piece in. Let's get into it. So obviously it's not perfect. I'm using a $150 welder from Princess Auto. It's just a flux core. This is 20 gauge. I found that using 22 gauge was nearly impossible to weld. The 20 gauge has helped me actually be able to consistently weld without having to gum up too many holes, so that's what I'm going with from here on out. Now it's cleaned up, I'm gonna paint it over, and then I probably will cover it in some sort of undercoating afterwards. I have a little more to clean up inside this wheel well. See, that's from cutting the lip off, so there's a little more work to do inside these wheel wells. But that's it for this one. I'll show you what the finished product looks like. So that's the finished product. It's been self-etched primered and primer sealered over top. I will end up doing some sort of undercoating, a rock guard or something. I'll cover it up, but other than that, that's that patch done. And thank you for watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.